Hey subbies, welcome back to my channel. You know the role. Take a seat, grab a drink, and enjoy this video. Thank you.
This is better.
You do it.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Girl.
Come on, Aaisha. They're waiting.
No, you do it. It's for your channel.
But you said we were gonna post.
Yeah, then we'll just explain.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Sile, and for my OG subscribers, welcome. As you guys can see, I have a guest today.
Hi guys, my name is Aaisha, for those of you who don't know. And I also have my own channel. So in this video, we're just going to do the hot wings challenge.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
chicken leg and hot wings here.
And
We have some peri.
so we're gonna put that on the hot wings
And it's only 1 second. I thought it was 2. The other one is ketchup.
Oh. And we have, what's this? Soul fire.
Yeah,
But it's just one soul fire, but yeah, we have soul fire. So yeah, we're gonna post this video on both our channels, so you guys are gonna see it on both the channels. So
I'm not ready.
I don't think I am either. Oh my god.
Guys, I like hot food now, but with extra hotness,
Because they're already hot.
Exactly.
They're already hot. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So guys, we're just gonna start eating because
the one who can take the hotness wins the challenge, and the one who can't take it loses.
and we're gonna take this one, and then we're gonna drizzle it all over, and take the other one also and drizzle it all over.
I'm scared. Oh my god. Yo guys,
I wish there was more. So
this one likes hot sauce. You can hear that. No, guys, it's over for me.
Not even. But they look so good.
I know, right?
Okay, let me show them.
Can you smell that hot sauce, dude?
Yo. So this is how it looks right now. Guys. Yo. It looks good, but let's see.
Let's dig in.
Let's see. Okay.
Yo. I'm so not ready for this.
Okay, it's not that bad. But it's hot. It's hot.
Yo, guys.
It's only one wing anyway, so let's not get ahead of ourselves.
No, definitely.
This is probably the weirdest video because you're just eating.
And everybody's watching you eat.
Well, everybody's watching us eat. Oh yeah, the girl The girl is within.
You know, guys. Come on.
What's a girl?
Come on.
It's like a terrible girl.
Juice.
You know, you're already drinking. You're already dying.
Stop it.
This actually is so nice. It's hot, but it's nice.
I'm in danger, guys. But it is nice, actually.
I like hot food. But it's just too much. I hope you guys are not like judging the way you eat.
Hi, man.
Because I feel like I look weird. I hope I don't.
I'm not about to act white. This is how I eat, guys. So, yeah.
Woo! Yay.
This is all of me. Y'all getting all of me now.
Are you dying?
Nope. I'm not dying, babe.
I guess this is gonna be a draw because I'm also not dying.
Yeah. It's fine. I even added a bit more because I can't feel it. You know?
Okay, so guys, we were enjoying more than anything, so we decided we're gonna spice things up because this is a spicy wings challenge.
Yo,
We're adding this hot African sauce into the mix. Okay, so I don't know if I'm ready, but anyway.
Oh no.
Yeah. Just really, really, really drench it in the sauce. If I die, I die.
It's gonna end in tears.
It's gonna end in tears. This one. This sauce is hot, bruh. Oh my god. Like,
And you keep adding more.
like the mild is hot. So guys, I want you all to see that it's full of sauce. Like you can see, like, look at this wing. Yeah, it's sauce. And it's hot sauce. So yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's
Okay, let me take a drink for this. I'm scared. It even smells hot. Okay, I'm not ready. Her reaction.
It's hot.
Yo. Kuzonyibala.
It's hot. I'm careful sharp, yeah.
Okay, it's not as hot as I expected it to be.
But it's hotter. And you said you don't like hot food. But here you are.
Oh, well. But it's a nice hot.
It's just so good.
I think we both love hot food now.
I think the tables just turned like I love it even more. I feel like this has just turned into a like
Mukbang.
yeah. Totally, hey?
It's definitely mukbang. Woo! Look at this one, guys. Look at
But
this
like on the
sauce.
real, it's hot.
Am I winning?
When yours, I don't think they had that much sauce.
They do.
Girl.
They do. Like they have a lot. Because they taste different.
Yeah, okay, because now I can feel it. Like, I feel the hotness.
Are you getting up? Come on.
One thing for sure is that I won't give up.
Just give up, babes. It's not the end of the world.
Listen to you. I'm gonna eat till I drop. Well, guys, let's have this conversation. KFC or chicken licken?
Chicken again.
Right.
What is KFC? Sorry.
Where is KFC? Like, no, exactly. So, like, just tell us in the comment section whether you like KFC or chicken licken. We are chicken licken, as you can see.
Yeah, no. I don't fucks with KFC, guys.
Yo,
I can feel it.
What? I can also feel it.
Okay. Whoa. It's like this savannah is making it worse. I don't want the big pieces. Me, I don't eat a lot. You have the big pieces. I need so you can handle it. You can handle it, the big pieces. Mina.
It sounds so wrong.
Your mind is wild, girl.
Tell me y'all didn't get that.
Her mind
Was
is
I the
wild.
only one?
No.
You can
I was
handle the
talking
big
about
pieces.
the chicken.
Yo guys, but food is nice. Food is nice.
Food is nice, but sad thing, I don't eat a lot. It's annoying.
Yo,
Like
at this
right now,
point, my lips are
I'm full for the whole day. After this, literally.
I can't. I eat a lot, chef. Like I have to eat 3 times a day,
I think my nose is sweating.
if not more.
I'm sorry.
I'm
really sorry. Just like roll your eyes a bit.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it is.
My nose is sweating, guys. You must know.
And you were like, it's not bad.
It's not. I'm just reacting to it on the outside.
Yeah. You can do that again.
Yeah, guys. Like, oh my god, I need a break.
A break. You know when you're in a relationship and you say a break, we all know it's over. So Can we just say it's over?
It's not over, guys. Just hold on. Have faith in me. Team Kondi. Team Kondi. Okay? And comment down below. Which team are you on? Are you on Aisha's team? Or my team?
Guys.
Choose my team, guys. I'm winning.
Hello.
I'm winning.
Like, it's me.
Even though I'm sweating, but I'm winning.
It's me.
It's not her.
You lose. I win.
No, guys.
Team Aisha. I'm here.
Whatever.
I mean, what's there not to like? Like, I'm here. And I eat wings. And I drink juice. I don't drink the savannah. I'm not expensive, guys.
If you like alcohol, you should obviously be on my team.
No. I think I just lost.
Yep. You definitely lost my subscribers.
Y'all love my drugs.
drunk
Nuts. Yo. People love alcohol, guys. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Mina, I'm full. So, I think it's a draw. Or you continue. If you continue on eating, then you win.
No.
Okay.
I think I'm also fine because
It's
like
a
my
draw.
nose is starting to run
Yeah.
and I don't want a disaster. You know, y'all don't want to see things.
That's all.
So
Okay.
yeah, guys.
Sorry. It's a draw. We didn't finish everything. There's just like 4 wings left.
Yeah, but we had like a lot.
Yeah, we had a lot. There were like 16, so that's a lot for me.
Too.
Yo.
Same.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, like the video. You know, share it if you think, I don't know, it was nice. Just share, like, subscribe, and comment, you know?
Please.
Give me
Please
some
subscribe.
love.
Stop watching my videos or our videos without subscribing. Yeah, better subscribe. Like right now. Click that red button right there. Please. Thank you.
We'll even wait.
Like,
We're waiting. Click button. Okay, so I guess after this video we're gonna be having some more subscribers because we even gave y'all a minute, a few seconds,
like,
to like do the thing, guys. But
thank you for joining us, guys. Please do come back again, you know, and support our channel.
yes, and don't forget to subscribe
And share. Please
and
share.
like and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post videos. So her channel is
Kondi Momo.
and mine is Aaisha K. So you guys go check it out, and I think we'll just leave a link on our bios. Okay, but then it doesn't make sense people watching it on 2 different channels. Okay, the links are for you guys to subscribe.
Yeah, just subscribe. You don't
Yeah,
have to.
you don't have to watch it on both because
It's the same thing.
yeah, just subscribe to our channels. So yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.